Hi everybody, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is a little bit of an unexpected video because I actually finally received my Walmart beauty box. The Walmart beauty box shows up when it wants to. Like, you have no indication of when it's coming. It is a quarterly subscription box. You only pay for shipping, which is $5. The actual box is free, I guess. In the past, it always showed up extremely late, and then I got a notification for the summer box that they were taking the summer box off and they were going to be redoing the subscription a little bit and they would pick up again in the fall. So I wanted to quick unbox it with you here with you guys. Since they said that it has been, redone, I'm interested to see if it's any different. I mean, I can't imagine for a free, just you pay shipping box that they could, make it much better. I was always pretty happy with the stuff that they sent. So let's see what's in here. There's a little card about Walmart Beauty. Oh, this is different. The little card includes things that could come in your box. So I don't think they had that before. Maybe they did. I might be confused. Anyway, the first thing I see is this item from Collab. This is a dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I love getting it in subscription boxes to try out different brands. But this one has a unicorn fragrance. I don't know what unicorn fragrance smells like. Do you guys? Okay, I have to try. Woo. Unicorn fragrance is old lady smell. That's unicorn fragrance. I'm not impressed, but I will still use it because I like dry shampoo. But that is so funny. Like, this looks so like little kiddish with the unicorns and things, and then with that particular smell, instantly made me think of old lady perfume. And like, that does not go together. Anyway, this is a good first item. I'm happy about this. The next thing I see, oh my. So this is a sample of Lumify. This is like the drops you put in your eyes for, to help with redness. That's not generally something I've even been interested in trying. I wear contacts and I think they have like special instructions about having to wait. Let's see, it says, yeah, you have to wait at least 10 minutes before reinserting contact lenses. I'm so blind, I just can't imagine taking the extra time to do this in the morning. So maybe I can find a friend who, I don't know, likes using eye drops like this, or maybe I'll just save it for a day when I have really red eyes or something. I don't know. I don't know if I'll even use this, but this is an interesting sample to include. Oh, so there's a toner in here. I really like toner. Right now I'm using up actually one from this brand, but the one that I'm using up is the rose water scented one, and I don't particularly enjoy it. But this one looks like it's their fragrance-free one. Smell it, make sure. It has a slight scent to it, but maybe that's just a slight scent of witch hazel. Because yeah, there's no added fragrance or anything in this. So I'd be interested to see if I like this one more than the rose water one. But this is a really great item to include. I know I'll use this. Next, I see a deluxe size sample of the Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience lotion. It doesn't say if it's for your face or for your hands or what, so I assume wherever you would like to put it. I've never tried a Gold Bond lotion before. Just a white lotion. Oh, the scent, it smells like plastic, like a rubber inflatable for at the pool type thing. What's that called? A floaty. It smells like a floaty. Ugh. Not my favorite scent, but I do go through the lotions around here no matter how much I detest the stinkiness of them. So I will eventually use this up. That was interesting. And then the last thing, ooh, a NYX Butter Gloss. I have one of these. I know that I really enjoy the formula. This is in the shade Sorbet. Let's try it on. I suppose first I will swatch it just to see. It is pink. Okay, dokie. Just gonna wipe off my lip gloss and try on. I feel like it actually matches my shirt pretty well today. Yeah, as always, the texture is lovely. The NYX Butter Glosses are really nice. That was an awesome thing to include, and it is a pretty shade. Very nice. All right. I think this is a great box. Awesome. It's a very much a mix of things that you can get from the Walmart Beauty Box. Like I said, you never really know what's going to come or when it's going to come. Oh man, I touched my leg with that swatch on my hand and now I've got a big pink stain on my pajama pants. Because yes, I'm wearing fuzzy pajama pants. But okay, I feel like this, for me, is definitely the star of the show. A full-size gloss from NYX. Very nice. And again, like, I'm not fans of the scents of all of these things, but these are all items that I will use. They're all good items. The only thing I'm not sure if I will use is the Lumify. Maybe I'll see if my husband wants to try it out. But I think it's great value for $5. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you soon. I'm actually waiting for my FabFitFun box to show up any day now. But anyway, that should be coming up soon, as well as my Shop My Stash roulette will be coming up soon as well. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.